Kim Seon Ho has once again been pulled into controversy, this time facing tax evasion allegations that many believe could seriously threaten his career. Unlike his past scandal, which gradually faded, this situation feels heavier because it carries potential legal consequences that may not simply pass with time. The seriousness of the claims has placed him back under intense public and industry scrutiny. The controversy began with a report released on February 1st, revealing that Kim Seon Ho had quietly established a private corporation in January 2024. The company was registered to his personal residence in Seoul and listed him as CEO, with its stated purpose being performance planning. What immediately raised questions was the timing. The company was allegedly created while he was still in contract renewal talks with his former agency and nearly a year before officially signing with Fantagio. Reports also claimed he received a massive signing bonus upon joining his new agency, leading to speculation that the corporation may have been set up in advance to manage future income. Further suspicion grew due to the company's unusually broad business scope, covering everything from media production to real estate and even medical manufacturing. Industry insiders suggested this lack of focus could indicate it was not operating as a genuine business, but rather as a financial vehicle. Backlash intensified when it was revealed that both of his parents allegedly held executive roles within the company, creating a family-only internal structure. Reports claimed salaries were paid to them and later transferred back to Kim Seon Ho, while company funds were allegedly used for personal expenses, including a luxury vehicle registered under the company name. If proven true, these actions could raise serious legal issues such as misuse of corporate funds, breach of trust, and potential tax advantages gained through corporate deductions. Because this is now the second Fantagio-linked tax controversy in a short period, public attention has expanded beyond the actor himself, with some questioning whether the agency bears responsibility. Legal experts warned that repeated patterns involving similar income structures could suggest a systemic issue rather than isolated personal decisions. Fantagio responded quickly, stating that Kim Seon Ho's activities and income were handled legally under his personal contract and denying any irregularities. They claimed the corporation was created solely for theater-related purposes, had been inactive for over a year, and was now being dissolved. However, instead of calming concerns, the statement sparked further doubt, especially regarding the timing of the company's closure. Public reaction has been divided but intense, particularly given Kim Seon Ho's past controversies. Additional concern emerged when it was confirmed that while he was still signed with his previous agency, some settlements were processed through his corporation, raising suspicions of deliberate income structuring to reduce taxes. Legal experts emphasized that this could trigger severe penalties if proven. Despite the scandal, several of his projects remain in motion, though some are now uncertain. Brands, however, have begun distancing themselves, with at least one removing promotional content featuring him. As investigations continue, questions remain about accountability, transparency, and whether this controversy will permanently alter his career trajectory.